In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under public finance. We're going to focus on the subtopic fiscal policy, and we have about 18 to 20 questions practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question here says, a country embarks on deficit financing in order to increase revenue, reduce aggregate demand, curb inflation, stimulate investment. The right answer is option D, to stimulate investment. Very important. Next question, this one, it says, the use of government revenue and expenditure to achieve set objectives known as fiscal policy. Option D. Take note of this question, guys. Very important. Next question, this one, it says, fiscal policy measures imply a change in only taxation to control aggregate demand, government revenue and expenditure to regulate an economy, bank rate to influence lending, only government expenditure to regulate an economy. The right answer is option B, government revenue and expenditure to regulate an economy. Okay, so fiscal policy is the use of government expenditure and revenue to regulate the economy. Next question is this one. It says, a fiscal policy instrument that can influence the demand pattern in an economy is having contrast, interest rates, government spending, tariffs. So guys, the right answer to this question is option C, which is government spending. Okay, next question is this one. Fiscal policy involves changes in where money supplies in the economy, import and export, open market operation, revenue and expenditure of the government. The right answer is option D, revenue and expenditure of the government. Next question, this one, it says, a decrease in government expenditure in an economy will cause general price level to fall. Option B, very important. Take note of this question. Next question, this one, it says, the Revenue Mobilization, Allocation and Fiscal Commission Nigeria has the primary responsibility for evolving an acceptable revenue sharing formula, evolving an acceptable wage for public servants, ensuring equity in the sharing of fiscal responsibilities, maintaining fiscal supremacy of the central government. The right answer is option A, evolving an acceptable revenue sharing formula. Okay, next question, this one, it says, a fiscal policy instrument that can influence the demand pattern in an economy is where government spending, tariff, income rate, interest rate. The right answer is option A, government spending. Okay, next question, this one, it says, the use of government income and expenditure instrument to regulate the economy is termed fiscal policy. Option C. Next question, this one, it says, fiscal policy is the government's plan to control aggregate demand by manipulating revenue and expenditure, the demand and supply of money, the structure of production and employment, taste and preferences of consumers. The right answer is option A, revenue and expenditure. Okay, next question is one. It says, Nigeria, government can reduce the cost of accommodation by fixing rent at the prevailing rate, below the equilibrium price, above the equilibrium price, at the equilibrium price. The right answer is option B, below the equilibrium price. Okay, next question is one. So guys, before I attempt this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says, the use of taxation and government expenditure to influence the performance of the economy is called dash policy. It's called fiscal policy. Option A. Okay, next question, this one, it says, taxes and government expenditures are instruments of fiscal policy. Option C. Okay, next question, this one. An example of expansionary fiscal policy action is decrease the bank rate, decrease in welfare payments, purchase of government securities, decrease in the corporate profit tax rates. The right answer is option D, decrease in the corporate profit tax rates. Next question is one. It says, a component of fiscal policy is taxation. Option A. Alright, next question is one. It says, government deficit financing of a country will lead to an increase in the economic output, a reduction in the level of employment, a contraction in income, a decrease in output. So the right answer is option A, an increase in economic output. The next question in this one, it says, if budget deficits are financed by borrowing, the crowding out effect can be offset by increase in exchange rate, interest rate, savings, government expenditure. So guys, the right answer is option C, savings. Okay, very important. Next question, this one says, higher income taxes can be used to control cost, push inflation, hyperinflation, high interest rate, demand pull inflation. Right answer is option D, demand pull inflation. Very important. Next question, this one, it says, the effects of an increase in the personal income tax is to raise the absolute price level, reduce the disposable incomes, distort the economy, reduce unemployment. Right answer is option B, to reduce the disposable income. The last question for end this video is this one. It says, the deficit budget can be used to stimulate recovery from a trade depression, starve economy of funds for economic development, protect the economy from inflation. One measure to remedy the balance of payment. Right answer is option A, to stimulate recovery from a trade depression. So guys, basically can do problems involving fiscal policy, a subtopic in public finance for your JAMB economics practice with about 18 to 20 play questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel and what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to request in the comment section below and I'm sure to give a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information and help you to excel your exams like your JAMB and other exams you're writing. Okay, having known this, click on the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.